but the memory of a true hero as king remains an imperishable historical legacy for the entire human race. Baba Saheb Purandare, a historian who brought Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji alive through stories, is considered one of the preeminent authorities on Shivaji Maharaj. To give you a true feel of the era, the entire play, which is in English, is interspersed with typical Maharashtrian folk songs called the Povada. The Povada is a genre of Marathi poetry that was in India during the late 17th century. Povada means to glorify, is a traditional Marathi ballad that traces its history to more than 750 years. We hope you enjoy the show this evening. The students of Wisdom World School will showcase their version of Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the making of a king.
Pranam Azoba. We are here to meet you.
You promised us that you will spare time for us and tell us a story.
But we find that you're always busy with your work. How can we talk to you then?
All right. Here, I will keep my work aside. What story do you want to listen to?
About Shivaji Maharaj.
The great warrior, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the king of the era, the savior of the people of Maharashtra. Well, it all began 400 years ago. Seated on the western coast of India, a jewel which is a haven to so many different cultures and religions, the home of the great Marathas, Maharashtra, was in turmoil. It was split between the 5 Deccan sultanates, such as the Nizam Shahi, Adil Shahi, Qutb Shahi, Bidar Shahi, and Imad Shahi. These kingdoms often fought with each other, and the common people had to bear the brunt of this war mongering. Amidst this chaos and turmoil was born a child who was to change the destiny of Maharashtra, a warrior who would fight for his people and establish the kingdom of Swarajya. Shivaji, the son of Shahaji Raje Bhosle and Jijabai Bhosle.
असा पुत्र शिवाजी जन्मला असा पुत्र शिवाजी जन्मला शहाजी जिजाऊला समदा महाराष्ट्र आनंदला हो जी जी जी
Moved by the sufferings of his people and inspired by the thought of freedom and justice, Bal Shivaji became mature and responsible at a very early age. Shivaji was only 15 when his power of decision making astonished everyone.
Shiva, what is all this commotion outside? I asked Dadoji, but he too doesn't know. Why are there so many people gathered in the courtyard? And why are you dressed in such a grand manner?
It suits a Raja, doesn't it? Yes, Aji, bring in the farmer. रामजी खोडे रांझे गाव हाजिर हो. Stop crying, Ramji.
I want justice for my daughter. She has been kidnapped by the village Patil. Please save her.
Is that so? Yesaji, bring in the accused.
Patil of Ranzegao, Hazir ho.
Yesaji, is this the same Patil who has been accused of the crime? Didn't he also mention that I was a king only in name?
Raze, who told you so?
Patil! You may be a real Patil, and I may be a king only in name, but I am a son of the soil. I respect women like my mother or sister. I do not consider this kingdom my property.
Raze, how can you accuse me so? There is no evidence. Just this farmer's word against mine. I demand that I should be given a hearing by the jury.
All right, you shall be given a hearing by the jury, but on one condition.
Condition? What would that be?
The condition is that you need to get the girl to speak in the court. I am sure she too has something to say in her defense.
That's unfair. Since when can a dead person appear in the court?
Did you hear it, Raje? He has killed my daughter. I want justice.
Dead? You say? How do you know that the girl is dead? The jury is for ordinary crimes, not for hardened criminals like you.
Pardon me, Raje. I have made a mistake. Please forgive me.
Khamosh! Were you deaf when the poor girl screamed for mercy? Chop this criminal's arms and legs and take him around the town on a donkey. He is, after all, the village Patil. He should be sent home with due respect. Take him away now and inform me after the punishment has been meted out.
Maafi, Raze. Maafi.
धन्य हो राजे, धन्य हो.
Raze, isn't this punishment too severe?
Pant, I believe that such a despicable human being deserves it.
But Shivaji,
Ma Sahib, I do not mean to disrespect you by interrupting, but these kind of crimes must stop. If I cannot implement the right punishments, then I do not deserve this Jagirdari, and I do not deserve to rule over the people.
Dadoji, just look at his temper.
Ma Sahib, I am finally content today. Shivaji has behaved like a true king.
So, Azoba, was the punishment really executed?
Yes, it was. Everyone praised Bal Shivaji for his wit and courage. The people of Maharashtra saw a ray of hope in him, and it was like Maharashtra coming back to life.
So, is this how Bal Shivaji became King Shivaji?
Shivaji Maharaj's aim was not to become a king, but to free his people from the tyrannical rule of the Mughals. And that meant Swaraj, having one's own rule. He very well knew that one who owns the forts will rule the region. So, his first step towards it was the oath of Swaraj and the conquest of Fort Rohideshwar, which was in the custody of Adil Shah.
Waiting for
the spirit of freedom for his people, Bal Shivaji was occupied with the thought of challenging the rule of the Mughals and put an end to their monarchy. He was equally motivated by his first guru, his mother, Jijabai, and he got a wholehearted support of the fearless Mavlas. Shivaji and his Mavlas gathered at the foothills of the fort in front of a temple to take the oath of Swaraj.
Dadaji, think once again.
I have decided long ago, Raze, that if I have to live, I will live like a lion and not like a lamb anymore.
With your blessings, we take the oath for Hindavi Swaraj. We shall not leave each other's friendship till the task is done. We shall not forget our oath.
Hara Hara!
Mahadev! I wonder where we should start from.
What is there to think? We have taken an oath in front of the Lord. Let this be the first place. We shall capture the Rohideshwar fort and free the Lord.
Yes, Rohideshwar will be our first goal. Our flag shall fly high on Rohideshwar soon.
Hara Hara!
Mahadev!
Hara Hara!
Mahadev!
Hara Hara!
Mahadev!
एवढ्या लहान वयात एवढा मोठा विचार, धन्य ते शिवाजी महाराज. बाल शिवाजी वाढू लागला, दादोजी खडे तालमेला, शहाजींचे स्वप्न गाठीला, हाणून पाडून परख्या सत्तेला, जिजाऊंनी विडा उचलीला, असं घडवलं बाल शिवाजीला. जोर अखिल मराठी बाण्याला, सेना बांधली अंकुशाला, स्वराज्याचे बाल कडूयाला. स्वराज्याचे बाल कडूयाला, मराठा सोडला अवघ्या 16व्या वर्षाला. अवघ्या 16व्या वर्षाला, अवघ्या 16व्या वर्षाला.
ती राख नव्याने जाग पेटू दे आग मराठी आता. सटकून टाकती राख नव्याने जाग पेटू दे आग मराठी आता. डोळ्यात पुढे अंगार बनव रक्तात जागू दे गाज भवानी माता. हे राजे जीर जीर हे राजे.
विश्ववंदिता शाहस्नो शिवसैषा पुत्रा पत्राय राजते.
हृदयात जागू दे पुन्हा आता दांगडा जोश. दाही दिशी घुमू देशी छत्रपतींचा घोष.
जय भवानी जय भवानी.
लढण्या संग्राम आज हो हळदे या मनघटी अभाव. मरण्या संहारी शत्रूचा जन्म दे पुन्हा आता. हे राजे जीर जीर जी राजे हे जी जी. हे राजे जीर जी राजे है जी जी
आणि पुन्हा आपल्या थांबण्यात खेळवा मर्द मराठ्यांचं सळसळत रक्त.
But my dear children, Shivaji was not known just for his bravery, but also for his respect for all people, especially women. Now, I will narrate to you the incident that happened with the daughter-in-law of the Subedar of Kalyan.
Wow, Abaji. You and your men have done a commendable job. This enormous wealth that you have gathered will strengthen and support our cause for Swaraj. I am pleased.
We have caught the Kalyan Subedar and his son. Let us know what punishment should be given to them.
कल्याण सूबेदार हाजिर हो.
Release them and ask them to leave for Bijapur immediately.
Shukriya Huzur. I have heard about Shivaji's just and honorable rule. Today, I get to experience it.
I have one more prisoner to be presented.
Who is it?
The daughter-in-law of the Subedar.
Abaji!
Maharaj, please don't misunderstand. She was traveling with the caravan when we looted it and was arrested with others. How could we decide her fate without asking you?
Please present her before me.
Ji Maharaj, she is a divine beauty. I have never seen anyone as beautiful as her.
She is indeed very beautiful. I don't know what we should do with her.
Maharaj, just what the enemy does with the women folk. She can join the dancing girls troupe.
Enough, Babaji! One sin cannot be eliminated by another. I believe in recognizing the law of humanity rather than what society and protocol says. Abaji, she reminds me of my Ma Sahib. Please treat her with respect and dignity and send her back with honor.
Rajaji, you are living up to your reputation as an honorable and chivalrous man.
महाराजांचा विजय असो, विजय असो, विजय असो.
सहिष्णुता जपणारा, स्त्रियांचा आदर करणारा राजा दुर्मिळच.
धरली मानवतेची कास, अभय दिले सुभेदारास. सून देखिली माते समान, दिन साडी चोळीचा मान. असा पुरुषोत्तम झाला, असा पुरुषोत्तम झाला. जवळ जन केला येई जो त्याच्या शरणाला.
But there was a time when Shivaji Maharaj had to enter into a treaty at Purandhar and give away his 23 of his forts and wealth worth 4 lakh gold coins. This was a great loss, and the dream of realizing Swaraj was almost out of sight. Shivaji Maharaj had never felt so hopeless. He confined himself to his chambers and did not address the court for 3 days. Jijabai was very upset to know this, and she went to his chamber.
Raze, Shivba,
Ma Sahib, please leave me be. I'm not sure whether I should live or die. I feel that death would be more acceptable now.
Raze, if you were so fond of death, why did you involve me in your pursuits?
Ma Sahib, when have I involved you?
You might have forgotten, Raze, but I have not. When your father left us, I was prepared to end my life as a sati. You fell at my feet and said, Ma Sahib, please don't leave me. I need someone to help me establish Swaraj. Have you forgotten that, Raze? If you don't believe in your oaths, then you should not have taken one. Did you make me stay back to see this day?
No, Ma Sahib. I nursed many dreams, and I hoped I would be able to establish Swaraj. Was that a crime? I was dreaming of the Hindavi Swaraj, and now I'm reduced to being a slave to the Mughals. The forts that I captured without caring for my life and rebuilt with my own hands are now in possession of the Mughals. I managed to get people to work on barren lands and made them prosperous. Ma Sahib, I have now handed over my son, my own flesh and blood, to the Badshah. Ma Sahib, my dreams are shattered. My identity is no more. Why should I then live?
Raze, are you telling me stories of tragedy and loss? Your father left us when I was 7 months pregnant. You were born in an unknown land, in someone else's house. I was alone, with no support. How did I live? I was the landlady of a barren land of Pune. But did I get scared? Raze, the Pandavas had to bear 14 years of exile. Even Lord Ram had to go through this. If the gods had to end your hardship, who are you and me to question our fate? People who are scared of troubles cannot dream of creating the Lord Swaraj, Raze.
Ma Sahib.
Listen to me. I'm ready to see you being sacrificed in the battlefield. But Raze, I cannot bear the blemish of having given birth to a coward.
Ma Sahib, the world may be against me, but you can never leave me. I made a mistake. I should have never said those words. Please don't treat me so harshly. Ma Sahib, I promise, I will never forget the oath I took.
Shivba, my dear son, go, establish Swaraj.
शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते.
साऱ्या या जगाला तू संजीवनी देते. उग्र रूपा मागे सुद्धा वात्सल्य वाहते. तुझ्या कृपा दृष्टीचे मी दान मागते. गोंधळ मांडिते ग आई गोंधळ मांडिते.
आई जगदंबेच्या नावानं उधा उधा. जगदंबे तारी संगरात जय दे. दानव ठेचाया माराया आम्हाला बळजे रायगडाची जगदंबा ही आज तुला आळवी लेख सुनांची अखेरची तू आस आज माऊली समजांना मुक्त कराया निर्दाळून खेळते ग अंबाबाई निर्दाळून खेळते ग अंबाबाई निर्दाळून खेळते आम्हा आहे आई आता तुझाच भरवसा मराठ देशी धर्म बुडविती राक्षस भर दिवसा त्या बुडवाया अन तुडवाया साठ हाती बळते त्या बुडवाया तुडवाया साठ हाती बळते ग अंबाबाई
ठाकेला धावून ये आई भक्तांचा उद्धार कर चरणी तुझा ठेवू माथा दार उघड आई दार उघड
आधिया उठे शत्रु जड़ सखी मिटे हमने जब जब शमशीरे तानी है माय भवानी अब हर एक दिन स्वराज का त्योहार है अब ये शीश ना झुके तेरी ताज हम रखे तेरे चरणों की शपथ मां जगदम्बे है माय भवानी
What happened after that, Azoba?
Now I'm going to share something which will make you understand how far-sighted Shivaji Maharaj was. On the suggestion of Mirza Raja Jai Singh, he accepted the invitation of Aurangzeb and went to Agra to meet him. But he was ill-treated and insulted by Aurangzeb there.
Jahanpana, Shivaji Raje Bhosle from Dakkan is here to meet you.
आओ शिवा आओ Ram Singh, show Shiva his place.
दरबार की कार्रवाई शुरू की जाए.
Ram Singh, who is this standing ahead of me? Is he the same Jaswant Singh the Marathas have defeated a number of times? Is this the way a Raja should be treated in a Shahi Darbar? I shall not tolerate this.
How dare this Shiva show his tantrums in front of me? Arrest him. Dare he step out of Agra? Faulad Khan.
जी जहांपना.
Put him under house arrest and keep a close watch on him.
जो हुकुम.
चाले लाजवीत सेवा झाला भय नव्हतं निधड्या छातीला गणिम थरथरती नजरेला माफी नसे कधी हो चुकीला पाहून राजांचा अनुमान मोगल झाले हो बेभान औरंग्याचा हे तू जाणून राजाने राखले मराठीपण मराठा वाघ दिल गरजला
Shivaji Maharaj pretended to be ill, he requested that all his men be freed to go back home while he remains in captivity. He also requested, as a dying man's wish, to be given permission to send sweets and fruits to the poor and needy. Every day, large baskets of fruits and food would leave Shivaji's residence of house arrest. And then, one day,
How long will this charity continue? We are tired of checking baskets every day.
Absolutely right. We unnecessarily keep checking these baskets in and out, only to find fruits and sweet in them.
Hiroji, as per our plan, I shall disguise myself as a porter and leave the house tonight with Sambhaji. Both of you, take care and leave this place as soon as possible.
Ji Raze, you get ready. We shall make the arrangements.
My friend, I shall take your place tonight. Leave this place as soon as possible.
Maharaj, I am blessed to serve you and I am ready to sacrifice my life for you.
Take care, my comrades. I, Bhavani, will give us success.
Jai Bhavani!
Stop! Put the basket down. I said, put it down. Is this the way you do your duty? I shall fire you. Now what are you looking at? Check the basket.
They are too heavy to lift up. I'll put them down. We are tired of doing this job every day.
Let them go.
Huzur, Gustakhi maaf, but please do not go inside. Shivaji is sleeping and his men have requested not to disturb him.
Still sleeping? Are his men?
Huzur, they have been out for a long time. One has gone to take his medicine, the other for his namaz. They should have returned by now.
What?
Daka! Shiva भाग गया! शिवा भाग गया!
दादा दादा शिवा भाग गया, शिवा भाग गया, भाग गया.
And that was how the shrewd Shivaji escaped from the clutches of the mighty Emperor Aurangzeb. Hara Hara Mahadev. Shivaji and Sambhaji returned safely to Maharashtra after 3 months. And there was no looking back after that. He captured all the important forts that he had given away to the Mughals in the treaty for Purandhar. Everyone now wished to see Shivaji Raje crowned himself as Chhatrapati because the Maratha kingdom had spread from Narmada in the north to Tungabhadra in the south, and it was necessary that the empire of Marathas be acknowledged and accepted by the world. Gagabhat initiated this thought, and the Raigad fort was filled with thrill and enthusiasm. The entire kingdom was in a festive mood for Shivaji Raje's coronation. Finally, the dream of Shahaji Raje was realized. The efforts of Jijabai were proved fruitful, and the sacrifices of Maratha Sardars and Mavlas were justified. The day of coronation had arrived 6 June 1674.
अखेर महाराष्ट्राच्या इतिहासात तो दिवस उगवला ज्याची सर्वच आतुरतेने वाट पाहत होते. महाराष्ट्राला नेतृत्व हवं, स्वराज्य नाव रूपी यावं, म्हणून राजांनी छत्रपती भाव, हा सर्वांच्या मनीचा भाव. माता भवानीचे वरदान, संत तुकोबारायांचे ज्ञान, समर्थांनी दाविली दिशा, भाग्योदय झाला महाराष्ट्राचा. रायगडाची साक्षी मिळाली, आनंदे लगबग झाली. राजाभिषेकाची तयारी मोठ्या जल्लोषात झाली. गागा भट्टांनी थाटला सोहळा, गागा भट्टांनी थाटला सोहळा. देखिला डोळा शिवाजी छत्रपती झाला हो जी जी जी. शिवाजी छत्रपती झाला हो जी जी जी. शिवाजी छत्रपती झाला हो जी 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 जी.
इंद्रजिमी जंब पर वाधवसु अंब पर रावण सरंब पर रघुकुल राज है. पौन बारी बाह पर शंभुरती नाह पर जो सहस बाह पर राम द्विजराज है. राम द्विजराज है. द्विजराज है.
हृदयात माऊली रेती ससावली गडकोट रावणी शिवशंकर हा. युक्तीची मंत्रणा युक्तीची यंत्रणा कळ दुष्ट दुर्जना प्रलयंकर हा.
संतांचं रक्षतो शत्रूनी खंदतो भावंड भावना संस्थापितो ऐसा युगे युगे स्मरणीय सर्वदा माता पिता सखा शिवभूपतो.
धावा दृढदंड पर चीता मृगचुंड पर भूषण वेतुंड पर जैसे मृगराज है.
तेजतम अंश पर कन्हजिमी कंस पर धूमलिच्छ वंश पर शेर शिवराज है. जय भवानी जय भवानी जय शिवाजी जय शिवाजी जय भवानी जय भवानी जय शिवाजी जय शिवाजी.
प्रौढ प्रताप पुरंदर क्षत्रिय कुलावतंस सिंहासनाधीश्वर महाराजाधिराज श्रीमंत श्री 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 छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की. हर हर.
प्रदीप चंद्र लेखेव वर्धिष्णुर विश्ववंदिता शासुनो शिवसेस्य मुद्रा भद्राय राजते.
छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचा विजय असो, विजय असो, विजय असो.
This Swaraj that we celebrate today is because of all those who were driven by the sole thought of establishing the rule of the Lord. The courageous mothers and sisters who received the ashes of their sons and husbands and proudly smeared their foreheads with it. The responsible sons who followed in the footprints of their forefathers and plunged into the holy fire of Swaraj. And the soldiers who fought valiantly and embraced their deaths with a smile on their faces. And the poor and honest people of my kingdom who staunchly trusted their leader never ceased to dream of having Swaraj. It is now our duty to not forget or undervalue their devotion, hard work, and sacrifice. Swaraj is the responsibility of us all. Ai Jagdambe, give us and the generations to come the strength and wit to uphold and ensure the safety of Swaraj. Jagdamb.
जय भवानी,
जय भवानी.
I feel very proud to share with you that this evening, almost 250 students have participated in the show. A reminder, ladies and gentlemen, please do not leave the arena until the end of the show. That is until the national anthem has been sung and the dispersal drill has been announced. It is only fair to end our show with a vote of thanks. Mrs. Seth would like to acknowledge the efforts put in by the team behind today's program.
I think it was well deserved. Our students have done a splendid, splendid job. Well, all the actors on stage get their credit and they get their applause, but it's our children working backstage that are often the unsung heroes. Harman, Mohammad Anas, Kabir, Sohan, Puranjay, Aditya, Paki. Thank you. We also have our teachers who looked after the props, right from getting them onto the stage and off. Vidya Belgaonkar, Rupali Jadhav, Gauri Singhid, Yogita Rizbad, Chetan Kakde, the art team who did those beautiful, beautiful thrones. All of the props are our art team's work. Shubhalakshmi Chavan, Alisha, Vaishali, not there, and the prop team in charge, Mrs. Kavita Dode. Thank you, teachers. The script writers, Soma Ghosh, Madhura Sheikh, and Sangharsha Mistry. The choreography for the dances, Chetan Kakde. The choreography for Dhol Tasha, Atul Kengar, Atul sir, and Vijay Vag. Ah, there's Vijay, there. The technical team, music, Ryan sir, Ryan Fernandez, Diana William, and Marshall Fernandez. All the suspense background and the background music and the songs. Lights, Preeti Nikam, Sneha Matthew, Deepa Chavan on the spotlight, Dipali Bule, and we have a young Aryan who was playing the dholki for the Povadas. The LED screens, Sheetal Iyer, and all the videos of the principal's report, beautifully done by Sheetal Iyer and Jyoti Vinod. Thank you, teachers. Costumes, Jayashree Kore, Gayatri Pathak, Sangharsha Mistry, and the costume in charge, again, Mrs. Dode. my core team. Nakia Miss, Mrs. Nakia DeMello, Mrs. Shreya Sharma, I think we're all matching today. Mrs. Sandhya Channa, Mrs. Sangharsha Mistry, and Mrs. Dode. Okay. Yeah. All right. The entire piecing together today was done by these two Maharathis, Mrs. Sangharsha Mistry and Mrs. Kavita Dode. You know, like one of the parents said, WWS hai, to kuch bhi mumkin hai. Ye team hai, kuch bhi mumkin hai. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. We got this opportunity to come here and get the credits of today's show, but we cannot forget one name ever. With wisdom world in her thoughts and on her mind, a gentle soul that is caring and kind, she is to us what a lighthouse is to a ship in the dark. We wait for her good morning, which is as sweet as a lark. It makes our day, and we work with zeal, motivated by her as she acts as our keel. She is the face of WWS Hadapsar fam, none other than our respected Principal Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for all your support and the trust that you have in us. Thank you so much.
That was a surprise. She's the poetess, Mrs. Mistry. Thank you all, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very, very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे